This faceless YouTube channel is making $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and this one, another $3,000 to $5,000 per month, and trust me, I can show you many more channels raking in thousands every single month. But here's the shocking part, they're not even making these videos themselves. These channels are using AI to automate everything. No need for brainstorming, hours of editing, or even showing their face. AI does the work, and they collect the money. And the best part, you can do it too. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own YouTube automation business using AI, how to scale it fast, and how to mass produce videos without frying your brain. So stick around because I won't waste your time with the usual work hard to be successful speech. Instead, I'll show you how to work smart, automate everything, and make YouTube work for you. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description and join my free Discord community. There, I share exclusive templates, AI prompts, and insider information that I can't share in YouTube videos. Plus, I personally answer all your questions about YouTube automation and AI filmmaking. All right, let's dive in. To start a YouTube automation business, the first thing we need is a profitable and easy to create content niche. Then, we'll set up a YouTube channel in that niche. To make this process super easy and fast, I use an amazing tool called TubeMagic. Some of the biggest YouTube creators, like Matt Parr and Randolph, also use this tool to streamline their workflow. To access this tool, click the link in the description and you'll land on this page. Just sign up quickly with your details and you're in. Once inside, you'll find all these powerful tools for YouTube automation, which I'll break down in this video. The first step is choosing a niche, and TubeMagic makes this effortless with its Niche Explorer tool. Inside the Niche Explorer, you'll find example channels in almost every YouTube niche and sub-niche, along with their estimated RPM, so you can see how much money each niche can generate. For example, if you want to create videos about natural health, you can check its approximate RPM and even visit real example channels to get inspiration. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, you can see what successful channels are already creating. This helps you decide whether a niche is profitable and if it's the right fit for you. For this tutorial, I'll go with the motivation niche, like this channel, Living Wisdom. Now that we have our niche, we need a unique and memorable channel name related to motivation. To do this quickly, I'll use TubeMagic's channel name generator. Click on Micro Tools in the left menu. Select Channel Name Generator. Enter a short description like, "My channel is about motivation and self-improvement," and click Generate. As you can see, TubeMagic has generated 3 unique channel names: Rise Up Vibes, Beyond Limits Now, Journey Sparks. I'll go with Journey Sparks. But before finalizing the name, we need to check if any existing channels already use it. To do that, just copy the name by clicking here and head over to YouTube. Search for the name in the YouTube search bar. To filter results, click Filter and select channels to see only YouTube channels with that name. If no big channels are using the name, you're good to go. Now, let's set up the channel in just a few simple steps. Go to YouTube and click on your profile picture. Select Switch Account. View all channels and click Create a new channel. Here you need to enter your channel name and handle. And finally, click Create Channel. And that's it, your channel is now live. From here, you can add a logo, banner, and customize your channel's look to make it stand out. Now that we have our channel set up, the next step is coming up with video ideas and researching trending topics in our niche. Luckily, TubeMagic makes this process super easy with its AI-powered idea generation and video research tools. To generate video ideas, head over to this feature inside TubeMagic. Click here, and you'll land on this page. Here, you can enter any YouTube channel's handle, and TubeMagic will analyze that channel's content and suggest new video ideas based on what's already working. For example, I'll enter this channel's handle, RahatK, then click Generate. Now TubeMagic is analyzing my previous videos and will generate a new content idea for me. As you can see, it has generated a great video idea: how to earn 7K a month creating AI-driven relaxation videos. This is a powerful and engaging topic, and I can keep clicking Generate to get unlimited new ideas. I personally use this tool across my different channels to plan content efficiently without spending hours brainstorming. If you're working in the motivation niche, here's how you can get targeted ideas. First, find a big channel in your niche. Copy their channel handle like this. Paste it into TubeMagic's video idea generator. Click Generate to get unlimited high-performing video ideas. This way, you're never stuck wondering what to create next. Next, I want to show you an even more powerful tool inside TubeMagic, the Video Research tool. Here's how it works. Enter any keyword related to your niche. TubeMagic will pull up a list of videos, showing you important details. For example, if you want to create a video about viral AI reels, you can simply type that into the tool. This tool will then suggest important videos in this topic. This is an incredibly useful tool for understanding what's trending, what's working, and how you can position your videos for success. Now that we have our video idea, the next step is writing a high-quality script. To do that, click on Scripting, select Video Script, and you'll land on this page. Here you'll find different script templates. General scripts, it's great for regular YouTube videos. Short scripts, it's optimized for YouTube shorts under 60 seconds. How-to scripts, it formats everything in a step-by-step structure. Script outlines, it provides a structured overview with key points. For this example, let's create a script using the general script template. First, we need to enter a prompt, such as a video title or any additional context. I'm going to use this video title, Focus on Yourself, Not Others, Motivational Video. Now, we can adjust the word count slider to determine the length of the script. For a 10-minute video, we need around 1,500 words, so I'll set it to 1,500. Once we click Generate, the AI will start writing the script. As you can see, it has generated a fully formatted motivational script in just 10 seconds. The structure is very engaging, breaking the video into sections like Introduction, Understanding Self-Worth, The Danger of Comparison, Setting Personal Goals, and more key topics for a strong motivational video. We can now copy the entire script by clicking here. Then we can paste it anywhere we want, like Google Docs or Notes for further editing. Now, let me show you another powerful feature I personally use before creating a video, the Script Outline tool. Instead of generating a full script, this tool helps structure the video with key points, so you can write the script manually while staying on track. Here's how it works. Just enter a brief description of your video, or simply type the video title. I'll use the same title, Focus on Yourself, Not Others. Click Generate. As you can see, it has created a structured outline with bullet points and important topics to keep in mind while creating the video. This tool is extremely useful for making sure your video flows well without relying too much on AI for writing. There's one more tool inside TubeMagic that I think is very useful, especially for beginners. This tool allows you to generate scripts from viral videos while ensuring originality. Here's how it works. Simply paste the link of any viral video in your niche. Click Generate. The AI will analyze the content and create an original script based on that video's structure. This is not a transcript tool. It doesn't copy word for word, but instead creates a unique version of the script using AI. I think this is a game changer for beginners who don't yet understand how to structure viral videos effectively. Now that we have a high-quality script, the next step is turning it into a video with AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. To generate a realistic AI voiceover, I recommend using ElevenLabs. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're on the website, simply paste your script into this box. Click Generate, and the tool will convert it into a natural-sounding voiceover. Here's an example of how it sounds.
Understanding self-worth. Self-worth is the intrinsic value we assign to ourselves, independent of external validation or achievements.
Once you're happy with the voiceover, click here to download it instantly. For AI-generated visuals, I highly recommend using Hailuo AI, one of the best AI models available right now. Here's how to create high-quality AI videos. Type in a detailed prompt in this box. Click Generate, and Hailuo AI will convert it into a realistic AI video. Here's the result. And here's another one. The quality is amazing, making it perfect for YouTube automation videos. If you want to add real visuals to your video, you can use royalty-free stock footage to make it more engaging. I recommend using Pixabay, a website where you can find high-quality stock footage across various categories for free. Simply visit the website, enter a keyword related to your topic in the search bar, and you'll find tons of free videos that you can download and use in your content. Once you have your AI-generated visuals, stock footage, and voiceover, the final step is editing everything together. To do this, you can use any video editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Once your video is ready and uploaded to YouTube, the next step is optimizing it to get more views. Manually finding attractive titles, SEO-optimized descriptions, and high-performing tags can take hours, but TubeMagic automates this process. To start optimizing, select Optimize from the left menu. Here, you'll find multiple tools. Let's start with Warp Upload. Paste the unlisted video link of your uploaded video into this box, and TubeMagic will analyze the video's content to create an optimized title, description, and tags. For example, I'll copy this unlisted video link about how credit cards actually work, paste it into the box, and click Generate. Now, TubeMagic is analyzing the video and has generated 3 different title suggestions based on the content. The truth about credit cards banks don't tell you. How your credit card really works and costs you more. Why swiping that card feels good but is dangerous. These titles are accurate, highly engaging, and optimized for better search visibility. The best part is that you can test your thumbnails by uploading them here. This lets you preview how your thumbnail will look on YouTube, helping you choose the best one to get higher click-through rates. If you scroll down, you'll see it has also generated a short SEO-optimized video description and a list of related, high-performing tags that you can easily copy and paste into your video settings. Tags are crucial for making a video go viral. Let me show you an example. Here's one of my viral videos that gained almost 1 million views and generated over $1,000. Now, if this video was 10 minutes long instead of 6 minutes, the revenue could have been between $3,000 to $5,000 for the same amount of views. But what I want to show you is the traffic source. Almost 50% of the views, around 500,000 views, came from Google search. This proves how important keywords and SEO are. Of course, your content must be good, but SEO helps get your video discovered. If you want more related high-volume tags, you can use TubeMagic's keyword research tool. Simply type in any keyword, and the tool will give you detailed information about monthly search volume, competition level, and related keywords. For example, let's search for credit card. The tool shows that a lot of people are searching for this keyword every month, but competition is very high. Using this tool, you can find high search, low competition keywords to rank your video higher. Inside TubeMagic, you'll find more useful AI tools that can save time and help grow your YouTube channel faster. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. Don't forget to check out my Discord community, where I share exclusive resources, templates, and AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.